welcome back to Learn Türkçe. Today we are going to learn months, days, seasons in Turkish language. So, please grab your notebook and pencil, write, take notes, repeat after me for your pronunciation skills in Turkish, and also please do self-study. Do not forget to revise your notes. So, let's start with months in Turkish. I will repeat them twice. So, let's start now. Ocak, Ocak. Şubat, Şubat. Mart, Mart. Nisan, Nisan. Mayıs, Mayıs. Haziran, Haziran. Temmuz, Temmuz. Ağustos, Ağustos. Eylül, Eylül. Ekim, Ekim. Kasım, Kasım. Aralık, Aralık. Yes. First round is over. Now I will make it slower, so you should repeat after me. If you want, you can stop the video to repeat and later you can continue playing. So let's start for repeating second time. Ocak, Şubat, Mart, Nisan, Mayıs, Haziran, Temmuz, Ağustos, Eylül, Ekim, Kasım, Aralık. Yes, until now we went well and we have revised months in Turkish completely. So let's continue with two more words which are important. So there are two words in Turkish. One of them is yılbaşı. The other one is yıl sonu. For example, in Turkish culture, we ask each other, yılbaşını kutlayacak mısın? Or, yılbaşını nerede kutlayacaksın? The first one means, will you celebrate New Year? The second one means, where will you celebrate New Year? So, New Year actually means in Turkish, yeni yıl. But we also say the beginning of the year. So, other term, yıl sonu, means end of the year. Yıl sonu. These are bonus words you should know. So, let's continue with the days in Turkish. Pazartesi, Pazartesi. Salı, Salı. Çarşamba, Çarşamba. Perşembe, Perşembe. Cuma, Cuma. Cumartesi, Cumartesi. Pazar, Pazar. Yes, we start our week in Turkey with Monday, which is Pazartesi, and the last day of the week is Pazar. So let's repeat for pronunciation. Repeat after me slowly. Pazartesi, Salı, Çarşamba, Perşembe, Cuma, cumartesi, pazar. Yes, in Turkey, cumartesi and pazar, Saturday and Sunday, usually off days for people. Some companies work on Saturday as well, but mostly for public clerks, public workers, Saturday is day off, and Pazar, Sunday is holiday for everyone. Okay, until now we have learned months and days in Turkish. So let's talk about seasons in Turkish. Kış, kış. Kış means winter. Kış. İlkbahar. İlkbahar. İlkbahar means spring. Spring. Yaz. Yaz. Yaz means summer in Turkish. Yaz means summer. Autumn is sonbahar. Sonbahar. We have two words for autumn. I mean, like in English. Autumn, sonbahar. Fall, güz. Güz is mostly seen in literature, in Turkish poems or Turkish literature novels. Sonbahar is the most common word for autumn in Turkish, and it is described with the fallen leaves of the trees. So, we have practiced seasons, months, days in Turkish. Yes, also I will tell you few country names in Turkish. Almanya. Almanya. This is Germany. Fransa. Fransa. This is France. İsviçre. İsviçre. This is Switzerland. İsveç. İsveç. This is Sweden. Norveç. Norveç. This is Norway. Finlandia. Finlandia. This is Finland. Beyaz Rusya. Beyaz Rusya. This is Belarus. Polonia. Polonia. This is Poland. Rusya. Rusya. This is Russia. What else for you? Macaristan. Macaristan. This is Hungary. Macaristan. Italia. Italia. Italy. Hispania. Hispania. Spain. Portugal is Portuguese. Portuguese. Portugal, Portuguese. Yunanistan. Yunanistan. This is Greece. Macedonia. Macedonia. You can predict this one. And let's end our class for today here. Please do not forget to repeat after me and also revise your notes. So, see you in the next class. See you in Turkish is görüşürüz. So, please do not forget to comment, like and subscribe if you watched until here. We need your support to grow up our channel. So, thank you. Teşekkürler. See you. Görüşürüz. Goodbye. Hoşça kalın. Bye bye.